everyone, welcome to Word Galaxy English Learning Platform. Today we learn about tenses. Today learning objective types of tenses like past tense, future tense, present tense, form of tenses, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous like this, and use of tense in context. So our first we need to know what is tense. Tenses dominates the time of an action in a sentence, usually performed by or centered around the subject of the sentence. The action are called verb, and verb changed according to tenses and other issues. The tenses of a verb tells when an action happened: present action is now, past action has already happened, and future action will happen in future. So first we learn about present tense. Present tense in English. Present simple. We have four division in present tense, not only present, past, future. So first is present simple tense, second present continuous tense, third present perfect tense, and fourth present perfect continuous tense. Past tense. Past also have four division: simple present, past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Past tense, first indefinite, I say before. Now future tense. Future tense also has four forms. However, one of the form has no practical use. Simple future, and we can say future indefinite tense, then future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and for future perfect continuous tense. Here is a list of rules of their sentences. Present simple, the formula is also there. Simple form of present is, its form is yes, s or yes, we know that. And the the sentences we can make like this: he goes to school. This is the example of simple present tense. And past form, second form, and future we can use will, shall, will, and past form. And progressive form m is r plus first form of verb and ing add. And past we use was, word, and first form of verb and ing in actually ing used in continuous. What the right continuous we should use ing add. And future also shall be, will be, and first form and plus ing. And perfect form had, has, and the third form of verb, and in past had, and third form of verb, had not and have, sorry, first form has just had and third form of verb, and future will have and third form of verb. Perfect progressive form is has, have, been, and first form and plus ing added, and had been and first form plus ing added. When future will have been and first form and plus ing plus. Second, verb tenses. Past simple tense, like some examples are there. Like example, simple present past tense. I saw. It means one person he saw before when birds or anything. And present form, I see. Future, I will see. Continuous, I was seeing. I am seeing. I will be seeing. Perfect, I had seen. Uh, Perfect past, actually I said about this. And Present perfect I have seen. Future perfect I will have seen. Perfect continuous in past form I had been seeing. Present perfect continuous I have been seeing, and future I will have been seeing. Type of present tense. Simple present tense. The simple present tense rule subject plus be1 plus es object, and rule subject plus be1 plus object simple rule. Uses of present tense built replayed actions. She runs in the park every day. And second, with adverb of frequency, which usually to go before the main verb or after the modern. Always, usually, often, sometime, really, like this. She often goes dancing. He isn't often late. Often late. Simple present tense. As when we should use as. Mary feeds her dog. Here feeds is we should use ses after feeds like above. Yes, we should use time. Tim watches TV every night. Mary usually dresses in park. Bob neighbor washes his car, and sometime we need to use yes after Y and I. The baby cries loudly. Your cry is there, but we need to. When you use S or ES, that time I is going to silent, so it's cries loud. The baby cries loudly. Simple present tense. There are some examples of S adding S or ES, and some question form of does, do, when we use does or the do. Some examples are there. We can see the one example. I can say what do and what does she like or likes. My sister don't or doesn't play tennis, like this. Present continuous tense. uh, Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is actually it show the present the things those who are running now, like I am playing the playing I am playing here playing now also. Yeah, I am playing. So here playing is running, going to run. So we can say that the present continuous is those thing is going to run here in present time. Those are called present continuous tense. Here's some example of present continuous tense. The formula present continuous tense. This tense has two words be and ing. Like example, he she is sleeping in room. Watching you we they are watching a film. So now present perfect tense. Present perfect in the present perfect tense connects a past action to the present time. I have lost key. I cannot open the door. Mary has gone out. She is not home now. An action that started in the past and still happen now. We have not been to New York, and my mother has been sick for many years, like this. Past present perfect tense structure subject plus habits plus V3. The example is subject. She has written an easy. The present perfect to form the present perfect tense, we convenient this participle past participle with the present tense of the verb have. Present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action which uh, which started in the past and the continuous up to now with action verb. Example: they have been gone to together for 10 years. He's been working here since March, like this. Present perfect continuous tense. The rules of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have has been plus verb v1 ing object. So one thing I want to say, sometimes we use time. So you after learning object you should use time. Present perfect continuous tense. Some example: he has been sleeping for 5 hours. The kids have been playing since morning. For showing time, we use o'clock since morning, since for 5 hour, like this type of sentence or what. Present perfect continuous tense structure. Subject plus have has been, fourth form of verb ing plus and since time. Subject plus have it's for negative word. Subject plus has been not have has not been, fourth form of verb or v1 plus ing object since time. Subject plus have, and this one used for, third one used for question for an interrogative sentence. Uh, has been subject had fourth form of verb and v1 plus ing object and since for time, and fourth one you use for interrogative negative subject plus not subject have has plus subject plus not been, fourth form of verb v1 plus ing on object and since for time. One thing I want to say, please mark and not mark, take screenshot or write in your notebook this structure. You have to remember that, otherwise you can't do the tenses. If you know the tenses, you can write any type of thing in write in English. You can write a novel also if you know the rules of tenses. Some examples of present perfect continuous tense structure. Example: they have been talking for the last hours, and she has been working at that company for 3 years. What have you been doing for the last 30 minutes? So these are the present perfect continuous positive rules. How you can make positives and this. So you can make like this: present perfect continuous. How I can make a question: have I reading, have you speaking, have I crying, has have has he cooked, like this. So here are some examples for can use with tenses. Signs is usually used of perfect tense only. So thank you to watch our video, and like and share and comment our video. Your share and subscribe and like make me motivate more videos. Inshallah, I will send you next part to learn your full tenses. Today you learn about present tense. Inshallah, next class we learn past and then future. So thank you so much to watch our video.